Still a very cool fan. Doing a little re-video of it since I never really done any videos with it with the on my new phone yet. So here you go. Still a very powerful fan. I do like the looks. They do have a 50-inch and a 42-inch one, which I'll film later. Medium. Still very cool. Alright, this thing really goes. Alright, that's medium. Let's go to high.
I'm gonna look at this thing.
It's on a tall
CC motor. 10-foot ceiling.
That's it.
Where are you? Oh goodness.
25-year guarantee.
Oh no. You're pretty.
Alright, so it's a designer, so you have the 10 foot. Yeah, so you have to do a 12-inch down rod.
No, you're pretty. You're the one I want. This is the one I want. This is the one I want.
7,400 cubic feet of air. Are you in the villages? No, right off.
And I don't need a light. I don't need a light.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yes, but
That's a great
you're either going to use this or what comes with it. 'Cause what comes with it's about like this. But if it's a 10-foot ceiling, it's definitely going to be a 12-inch.
Yes.
Yeah, Lincoln has 10 foot.
Yeah.
Actually, it doesn't have to be as low as that line.
No, it doesn't. Oh no, wait a minute. Yeah. It doesn't have to be as
I
low.
spoke to you yesterday, Rick Carlo, on plans
$25 to $20.
That's right, and we don't make them anymore.
Right.
Get a light
Guys, it's gonna be a little bit.
Okay. Well, where do we start, or what do we?
Even the other fan you bought.
I mean, they're
Even that
anything-
other fan.
Yes.
Same thing.
Anything you like.
Okay.
Yeah, take a look around, guys. See what's going on.
Okay.
Brad! Oh, there you are. Sorry. I thought you were still in the back.
I'm not sure.
Why help you? What's your right? I'm gonna put it up.
There's Samara.
How far high is your
The slant only is going to be about 4 to 6 inches. So
It also comes in white. That's a white motor
Okay, yeah.
with walnut blades.
This is what we have.
Yeah, but on that chain, they have a long chain. It's usually with the
We also
okay.
have
They make them lower than what
I believe.
the fan's going to hang at about a
Look at the dead, we're with you as soon as we can.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yeah. To go it's a
Like the lighting component.
Well, we can use, he said we could possibly use the same light. Okay, like this.
I trust him.
Okay.
Now I can hurt you.
I mean, that's what we have.
I can't hurt
Okay.
something that's 8 feet over.
Because that's
Send me a picture.
It's $85 for the bench. Is he three-phase? And he is short, you know, you call us. $6 a year to operate. Down the way. Better be white.
Yeah.
You don't look at it.